Welcome you all. I am Raju Manchi, and in this video lecture I will discuss about the signal. So one of the major function of the physical layer is move data is the form of electromagnetic signals across a transmission medium. Whenever you are collecting numerical statistics from another computer, sending animated picture from uh, design orchestration, or causing a bell to ring at a distant control center, you are working with the transmission of data across network connection. Generally, the data to send a person or the application are not in a form that can be transmitted over a networks. For example, a photograph must first be changed to a form that transmit media can accept. So transmission media work by conducting energy analog a physical path. So to be transmitted data must be transformed to a electromagnetic signals. So first of all we'll discuss about the signal. So signal is when data is sent over physical medium, it need to first convert into electromagnetic signals. So both data and the signals that represent them can be either analog or digital. So data can be analog or digital. The term analog that refers to a information that is the continuous. The digital data refers to the information that can be discrete state. For example, an analog clock that has hour, minute and second gives information is a continuous form. That movement of the hand are continuous. One of the other hand, a digital clock that report the hour and the minute will change suddenly from 08 to 806. That means automatically or directly it can be converted in digital manner. So the analog data such as the sound made by a human voice take on the continuous values when someone speak an analog wave it created in the air. So this can be captured by a microphone and converted to an analog signal, or sampled and converted to a digital signal. So the human voice is a analog signal. For example, the digital signal file on a disk or digital data take on discrete value. For example, data are stored in a computer memory in the form of 0 or 1. They can be converted to a digital signal or the modulated into a analog signal for transmission across a medium. So the signal may be digital or maybe the analog. So digital signal are discrete in nature and represent sequence of voltage pulses. These are used within circularity of computer system. That means how to work it. That means digital signal are working this manner. This is the discrete format, but the analog signal are continuous waveform in nature and represented by the continuous electromagnetic wave. That means it is a continuous, this manner is a continuous electromagnetic wave. So suppose we can send data from one system to another system. Suppose system is A and here the system B. Suppose we can send data system A to B. So data to be transmitted from analog to digital or digital to analog signal. So data can be analog or it may be digital. Analog data are continuous and take the continuous value, and digital data have discrete state and take discrete value. Thank you.